Manipur based organization Egalitarian Manipur of the Altruist Trust Nation Mount Manipur South Andaman Manipur amadi Andaman ki lainariba mari hena mari chachinaba amadi ningsingnaduna laihonaba Commemorative Board ama sangakhre Andaman and Nicobar Island and Manipur separated by distance but connected through history of courage and sacrifice hai bahiramda Yungkiba Board Adu Aswin J. Parihar IFS Divisional Forest Officer DFO South Andamana Ribbon Kaktunangarang Sangha Kibani Tauramada Experience Andaman's Tour Provided Limited Ki Manager Ras Sekarshu Saruyaki Imatras na Linkatliba Commemorative Board Asina Horak Liba Mirol Singna Kundaraba Matamamagi Manipurgi Ansung Hero Singbu Ningsing Hanaba Amadi Kautoki the Nabagi Bandam Laukalapa Kongtang Amani Trust Asina Sipa Wale Palate and Horaliba Mirror Sinda History Sing Mayek Sengna Kaman Baga Kongtang Kayama Lokatuna Lakli Hariba Commemorative Board Asina Lake Draba Atauba Sinda Ikai Kunaba Utpadanatana Horaliba Mirror Sinda Historical awareness Kayama Pidana Tauna Amashu Hapkadoribani Amadi Horakliba Mirror Singna Matamamagi Ipa Ipu Shingi Matana Du GNC Amadi Lebaki the Maktaudang Kara Lauram Sehaba Wapam Sing Fongdok Naki.
People know about the connection of Manipur and Andaman and Nicobar and why this place is named after Manipur. So it's a great effort by the EMA Trust and I would once again like to congratulate them.